So one day a customer got this message and it was saying G1 and he was saying that sometimes he couldn't get into gear. I think something like that. So here you can see this is a Eaton transmission and the throwout bearing has no grease. Now that is what that message is popping up for. It's a maintenance code. It wants you to grease your throwout bearing in the shaft. So what you do here is just pretty much you see that grease line. It goes inside and there's two of them. And you grease both of them, and when you grease it, you can see here how it comes out there and gets onto the shaft. And they have another one that'll grease where the throwout bearing and everything sits. So you can see here, you gotta always make sure you grease this. Is very important, but you're gonna need to reset that. When it does that, you're gonna need to reset it after greasing it. All right, with the key on and engine off, we're gonna reset it in the sequence, which is going to be neutral, drive, neutral, drive, neutral, reverse, neutral. And it's going to clear it from here. Just so we make sure. Turn it back on. And it's all gone. And that's how you clear that. Alright, you guys, go on ahead and like and subscribe. Please support this channel. We're growing. Let's go ahead and get it.